My name is Greg Morrison, and I've done 9 figures online since 2005. Over $50 million of that was with affiliate marketing sales. So I'm going to make sure you're taken care of. By the end of this video, you're going to be making $9 million a day. Kidding. Obviously, if it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. But I am going to show you how to get on the path to start being successful with affiliate marketing. And by the end of this video, you could actually be making money pretty quickly. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all the free shit we give away here. Now, I've taken over 1,000 students to success over my years, and I have no doubt that I can do the same for you. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is join an affiliate program. So how this works is you join an affiliate program, you get a special link, and then if someone clicks on that link that you're given and takes a certain action, you make a commission. And that's called affiliate marketing. By the way, if you're more advanced, you can go check out my $5 million in affiliate commission series, which is in the playlist section. All right, beginners, rewind it. Back to you. So I'll give you 2 examples of what I mean when I say, someone clicks on your link and takes a certain action. Now, example 1 would be like a pay per lead model, right? And this person simply needs to just click on your link and then go fill out a form to get paid. So for example, if a person clicks on your affiliate link, they will get taken to a page where they can fill out something like their name, their email, and their phone number, as you can see right here. Now, if this information gets filled out by someone who came through your affiliate link by clicking your link, you could make $5 or $10 or $50 for that lead. Now, sometimes there's more information needed, right? Like credit cards and address and things like that. And then sometimes there's less information needed, like maybe just a name and an email address. Either way, in this scenario, you're getting paid per lead or when someone fills out that information. And these are easier to convert, but they generally pay less, which is the downside. Now, example 2 would be a pay per sale model. Now, with this model, when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you only get paid if they make a purchase on the destination page or wherever they go, wherever brand they go to. So I'm going to use a company called VaporFee as an example because at one point I was one of the largest electronic cigarettes affiliate in the world. And VaporFee was one of the major brands that I promoted. So if someone clicks my affiliate link, they may go to the homepage of the brand that I'm promoting, right? From there, the visitor can basically pick what they want to buy. They add it all to their cart, and then you make a commission on anything that they purchase. And all that is tracked through things called cookies. So when someone clicks on your link, it kind of puts a cookie, lets that wherever the person goes to know that you sent them, and then as they buy, you make commission. Now, another thing I can do is send my visitors to a specific product page with my affiliate links. So as an example, if I know the visitor specifically wants a free Mac Maxis 3 200 watt kit, well, I'm going to send them directly to that page. That way they don't have to look for it and it's going to increase my chance of a conversion, or in this case, a sale. Now, obviously, that's just 2 examples, right? And the amounts can be much higher, they can be much lower per sale or per lead. I've actually made as much as $200,000 in commissions from just one visitor. Now, this specific person, they clicked on my link, they made a $4 million purchase, and I make a 5% commissions in that affiliate program. And I know what you're thinking. Good for you. Stop bragging and show me how to do it already. I got you. Let's take this step by step. Step 1 is that we are going to find an affiliate program and we are going to start with affiliate networks. More on this shortly. Step 2 is we are going to decide what type of product we want to sell, or we're even going to pick a specific product. Now, step 3 is we are actually going to sell this product. So look, if you're a serious action taker and you go through all the steps in this video, you can literally start earning commissions like within a day or so, right? Like $9 million a day. Yeah, I'm a bad liar because that's not going to happen, at least not anytime soon, but you can start making a little bit of money pretty quickly. So step 1 is to find an affiliate program, and we're going to start with affiliate networks because that is just the easiest thing to do for beginners. That's where I started. An affiliate network is somewhere you sign up for that has a whole bunch of different affiliate programs within it. Like many of these affiliate networks have thousands of products that you can promote all in the one network, right? Without an affiliate network, you would need to sign up for each of those affiliate programs within the affiliate network individually, right? You had to sign up, like if you wanted to join 1,000 affiliate programs, you had to sign up for 1,000 different places. With the affiliate network, you can sign up just one time and then have everything in one portal. So what I want to do is show you some of my favorite affiliate networks. let's go on over. All right, so the first affiliate network is Amazon. Now, the cool thing about Amazon is it's very easy to make sales because they're already trusted, right? You have a lot of trust with them. The downside is that you don't make much commissions, right? You're going to make like 2%, 3%, 4%, like not super high. And usually there's not super high priced products on there. If I'm making 5%, I want like, six-figure products like I told you about the commissions I made earlier. So how it works, you sign up for the affiliate program. You can just Google Amazon affiliate program. Then once you get in and sign up, you're going to see this right here. It says Amazon Associate Site Stripe. Okay. Now, if I want to sell this pickleball paddle right here, all I have to do is click on text right here, and it's going to give me a link. Now, this link right here, if I just copy this and I send this to someone, if they click on this link, it will bring them, so let's just do it. So I'm going to bring up a new window, go to this link. If someone clicked on that and they go to this product and they end up buying it, I'm going to make a commission because that is my affiliate link. All right. Now you can do this for any product. I specifically like pickleball, so I did a pickleball paddle. But if we can do like women's hairspray or something, I don't know. Let's go back up because I didn't type in. So we're going to go to women's hairspray. Let's say I want to sell this stuff right here. All I have to do is go to the product page, go up here, click on text. Let's let it load first. Let's click on text. And then boom, here's my affiliate product for that hairspray. Bam, takes them to the hairspray. If they buy, I make a commission because that is my affiliate link. Again, the cool thing about Amazon is they're very trusted. So since their traffic trusts Amazon, they're very easy to convert for a sale because it's a high trust network. You just send them to affiliate products. The downside, again, is you're not going to make as much money, but it's a great place to start for beginners. One of my favorite places for beginners because it's easy sale. Now, the second place I'm going to show you is a place called CJ.com. Now, you go to CJ.com, you would go to sign up, and you're going to eventually get in your account and you go to partners. Now, once you're in partners, you can see all these different partners that you can promote, right? They have thousands of different products, everything from hosting to junk to registration to press releases and supplements, and you can search for whatever you want here. Adam and Eve, which is adult stuff. So they have everything on CJ.com. Really good network that I used to use a whole lot, right? So that's network number 2. Network number 3 is called Share a Sale. Now, this is another pretty good network, a little smaller than Commission Junction or CJ.com, but there's still a whole lot of products here. They got thousands of different products here. You can go and search whatever you want to look for. So, for example, if I want something on like woodworking, I can see, do they have any woodworking products? Boom. Artificier Woodworks, and all these other companies you can kind of look into further to see if they fit your need. Now, the last affiliate program I'm going to show you is a place called ClickBank. Now, ClickBank's a little different because they also have a lot of informational products. And ClickBank was one of the first programs that I started with when I first started being an affiliate marketer. And it's pretty cool that they have info products you can make money on. What I like about selling info products is you can make a lot higher percentage, right? So an info product doesn't have like a shipping cost and it doesn't cost you money to produce it and all that. It's free, right? It's all, very, very cheap to make an ebook, almost free. So when people sell it or pay affiliates, they're okay with paying 75% to their affiliates because it's pretty much all profit to them. So that's one of the cool things about clickbank.com. So that was 4 really big affiliate networks that you can get started with. And one thing I will say is that I personally use a lot of private affiliate programs because they pay more and often they're like needles in a haystack, but the affiliate networks are the better place to start if you're a beginner. Again, I mentioned before, that is where I began when I first started, and I believe it's where all beginners should begin. So we went over the affiliate programs. Now let's do something. Let's pick a specific product that we want to promote. And before I do, let me give you a huge tip that not many people talk about. Don't just start with an affiliate marketing product because it offers like max money, right? For example, don't just pick a product because it's like $10,000 and it offers 20% commissions, which means, you can make $2,000 per sale. Now, we may do this stuff later down the line as we get the process down, but as you're first starting, no. Start with something that you are passionate about. Start with something that is already a big part of your life. Maybe it's a sport like jujitsu or pickleball, or maybe it's animals, right? Like cats or specifically dogs. Maybe it's books or board game or cars or motorcycles or psychology or dating advice. There's products on just about everything. So let's just say you're really into woodworking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ClickBank and I'm going to look for some woodworking info products, right? Because I know I can make a large amount of money on that. As far as percentages go, they probably offer like 75% range. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Home and Garden. And the first one we see right here is Ted's Woodworking. It's one of the reasons I picked this. And if we go over here, what we're going to do is we can click on this. This is what the web page is going to look like that you send your visitors to. You can kind of get more information about what you'd be selling. And what we can do to get our affiliate link is click on Promote. Now, our affiliate nickname, in my case, the nickname is space free for this account. You don't need a tracking ID. Now, you would use this if you're using different forms of promotion, right? Like, so if I'm using YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, for this one, I might put like YouTube video 3, right? If it's like my, that's the way I'm tracking, or like YouTube video how to do woodworking, something like that. This is like to tell you where the sale came from. So that's just something you need to know from for kind of like the later stages. Now we're going to scroll down. We're going to create Hoplink. Scroll down right here, and here is our affiliate link right here. Okay. Now, if I go here and paste this in and bring it up, it takes you to that page, but it lets them know that you sent this. Like, this information right here lets the product owner know that you sent them. So it tracks anyone that makes a sale and credits your account. And that's how it works. And that is how we would create an affiliate link for this woodworking program. Now, it all works the same for all the affiliate programs. Like if I want to do this one right here, in this particular affiliate network, you first need to join the program and they need to approve you. Sometimes they'll let you auto approve. This one says pending. Sometimes they have to approve you first. But once you get approved, all you do is click here. You click on get affiliate link. They give you your affiliate link and then boom, you're good to go. Amazon, we went over very simple. You just go to the product page. You click on text up here. Then they give your affiliate link right here, right? Commission Junction is very similar to ShareASale, where you have to get approved. Then you go get your affiliate link. You can click on here, get links. I might already be a member of this affiliate program right here. And then it'll bring up a page where it can give you all different links. And usually they'll give you links to like different pages, right? Just like with VaporFee, how we can send them to the home page or a product page, it'll give you all different options for where to send the visitor. Now, this isn't loading, so we're not going to wait for it, but that is how you create an affiliate link. And specifically, we showed how to create an affiliate link on ClickBank. All right, so now we are in affiliate networks and we have access to affiliate programs. We've actually picked the product, right? And we actually have affiliate links. Now we need to do the fun part and get that link out to people. We need to get people to click that link. And this is why I said to start with something you are passionate about. If you are passionate about something, it's likely already a big part of your life. So you likely already have places to insert your affiliate link. Duh. Whether it's text messages or it's emails to your woodworking friends, or maybe it's Facebook posts, or maybe it's Facebook groups. I mean, you can either start a woodworking Facebook group, or maybe you're already a part of a whole bunch of woodworking groups on Facebook if it's a passion of yours. Now, you may already have an Instagram or a TikTok or a YouTube channel that shows some woodworking stuff already. Work in that link. If you don't have one, guess what? You can start one. Content is really easy to make when it's something that you are passionate about. And that is exactly why I encourage people to start with a product that has to do with their passion. If you're already passionate about woodworking, well, people know that, right? And what's going to happen when people know that you're passionate about woodworking is they're going to trust you on your woodworking recommendations. Whether it's this, Ted's woodworking product or other types of woodworking products that we can promote in other affiliate networks, they're going to trust you. And growing that following outside of your friends and into the strangers on the internet is one of the quickest ways to start making money online. When people see your content over and over and over again, they start following you and then they start trusting you. This trust factor is a huge success factor when it comes to affiliate marketing. Building trust through a community or a following of any type and getting your affiliate links out to those people is huge. I know someone who actually does this exact thing who makes about $6 million a month in profit with affiliate marketing, all through just having a community and following. And he built this on video platforms. And since he does it through affiliate marketing, he deals with zero customer support. He deals with zero shipping. He deals with zero inventory. He just sends people to the offer. That's it. Job done. $1.5 million paychecks a week for doing that. Now, this is the best way for beginners to get started, right? It's free and it can be extremely effective if you put the time into it. Now, there's also tons of other ways that can be extremely effective, right? I'm talking about the more advanced things like you got search engine optimization, for example, and this is like ranking websites or web properties in the organic search results of search engines like Google. Or you have pay-per-click marketing, right? Or it's also called paid advertising. This is using paid ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Google and Bing and many others out there. Paid advertising is probably the quickest way to start getting traffic, but most beginners will get eaten up because they just don't know what they're doing and they'll just go through a ton of ad spend and waste a bunch of money. Now, if you want to learn more about these specific things, make sure you subscribe. I teach them all for free right here on OMG Academy. So subscribe. What are you waiting for? Shoot me a comment and make sure you let me know when you make that first affiliate commissions. It's the best feeling ever. All right, I'm rooting for you. See you soon.